Let's fry crispy fish, and the fish for today is round scarred fish. Hello, I'm so happy to have you once again on the channel. And if today is the first time here, easy recipes are always made here. Okay, so kindly subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Yeah, and trust me, you are going to learn a lot. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's activity. I have with me here my round scarred fish. Round, okay, scarred fish, SCAD, scarred fish, round scarred fish. Now I am just going to scrape off the scale. Okay, so I'll show you how round scarred fish looks like when it's dry. Okay, I mean for when you go to the market and you want dry fish, you've been buying round scarred fish, but I didn't know this is what it was looking. Easy, this fish, it is called montontry. It is montontry. That's how we call it in Ghana. Montontry, round scarred fish. That is exactly how this looks like. Okay, and that is exactly how it is. So let's continue with today's recipe. Scrape off the scale, and after that we are just going to divide that into the sizes that we want. If you want to fry it whole, oh my goodness, you are good to go. Okay, but we are going to divide it. I hope you understand. So the round scarred fish, you can get it just like that, and sometimes they mix it with the dry herrings that we use for shito or powdered fish. Okay, yes, it tastes very good. And this one is my favorite fish, one of them. Okay, yes, trust me, it tastes so good, and it is one of the cheapest food. Cheapest fish at my end, and I love it. Yes, anyway, it used to be the cheapest, but now it's expensive. But trust me, the price is better than some other fishes. Okay, now after that I'm just going to remove the intestine, and then we are good to go. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. Please, if you are watching me today and you haven't yet subscribed or followed, can you please do so for me? As I said earlier, it is absolutely free. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Yes, follow us there for more updates. You can see that it is very easy to remove the intestine, the grills, and that is okay. The other day I fried fish and I left the grills. Oh my goodness, it tasted so good. That was actually the first time. It tasted so good. Yes, it was very dry, and the grills was the grills, okay, they were very crispy, and oh my goodness, it tasted so good. Yeah. So now I added some lemon juice. Use it to wash the fish very well. Now my fish is in the salt water. Okay, we are just going to wait from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and then we fry the fish. Then we are good to go. I hope you understand. You watched me from the beginning of the video till now. Thank you. Please, have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? Yes, I'll be very happy if you do that. Okay, so like the video, share to others. Let me see your comment in the comment section. Now after between the 5 to 10 minutes, oil is on fire and the fish is ready to be fried. Okay, so I coated the fish with my all-purpose flour, which you can use bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour, soft flour. You are good to go. So I did mine with all-purpose, and after cooling the fish, I've started dropping them in the hot oil. Okay, fry it very well so you get that perfect outcome. So on other social media platforms including YouTube, we usually upload videos that are short, like a minute duration or less than a minute duration. So kindly follow us on all social media platforms and YouTube Shorts for your short videos, should you don't want long form videos. Okay, I hope you are going to do that. Thank you so much. Now I'll continue dropping the fish till I am done with everything. So now I am done, and just look at that, absolutely good. Okay, we are going to leave the fish on fire, and when it needs to be turned, we will just go ahead and turn the fish so that it will not burn. Even though we are doing deep frying method, but we still have to keep an eye on it or flip it so that it doesn't burn. After some few minutes, this is what we have, and just look at that, absolutely good. At this moment your fish is ready, but trust me, I always want my fish to be crispy and delicious. So I am just going to turn it again and then wait for a while so that I get that crispy fish I am looking for. I hope you get it. You can actually fry your fish without the flour as well. Okay, I'm coming to fry my hand. I will fry it. I will fry my hand. Okay, yeah, so this is okay, but we still want it a bit dry just because of thumbnail. Can you imagine? I'm coming to fry my hand. So I will just leave it in the oil again to get that perfect dry or crispy fish I want to get. Okay, I'll fry it for just a minute and then we are good to go. At this moment my colander is ready. I have some paper towel in it. I'll go ahead and then remove my fish. As I told you earlier, I am ready to fry my fish, and that is fry my hand or my fingers. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Oh god, it's not easy. So I have removed them and they are resting on the paper towel. Okay, yes, thank you so much for watching, and this is how the outcome was. Absolutely good. Thank you for watching from the beginning till now. I am so grateful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.